Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we are uncovering some absolutely incredibly well-kept secrets in the automotive world. We're looking at completely reliable, budget-friendly used cars that are literally hiding in plain sight. If you want a vehicle that's just going to start up for you every single morning without costing you an absolute fortune in the long run, well, you are in exactly the right place. Let's get into it.
So let me ask you a quick question. Are you over 60 and currently shopping for a used car? Because if you are, chances are you're feeling, well, a bit overwhelmed by the modern car market. And honestly, who wouldn't be? It's full of insanely complex gadgets, confusing menus, and frankly, astronomical prices. But what if I told you there's a stress-free solution? A way to find vehicles that are incredibly easy to get in and out of, totally simple to drive, and built to outlast practically anything rolling off the assembly line today?
You see, there's this massive gap right now between what the market wants to sell you and what you actually need. We call this the dealership trap. Dealers just absolutely love steering older buyers into these overpriced, certified pre-owned SUVs. They're bloated with massive touchscreens you honestly don't need, and they come with hidden repair bills you will definitely not see coming. But let's contrast that with what you really need. Cheap, insanely durable vehicles with easy entry and simple physical controls. Okay, so here's our roadmap for today. First, the dealership trap. Second, visibility and easy access. Third, old-school comfort cruisers. Fourth, practicality and safety. Fifth, the Lexus value hack. And finally, peak reliability champions.
Section 1. The dealership trap. Finding what truly matters. It is just so incredibly easy to get steered toward the wrong vehicles these days. Dealerships will push these modern cars that require you to dig through 3 submenus on a screen just to turn on the AC. No thank you. We need to focus on the golden rules for senior-friendly cars instead. We want actual physical climate knobs that you can turn without taking your eyes off the road. We want low door sills and a nice high seating position so you don't have to awkwardly climb up or drop down to get in. And we absolutely want thin roof pillars to maximize your visibility. These simple physical features make a night and day difference in your daily driving comfort.
Section 2. Visibility and easy access. Seeing is believing.
Let's transition to our very first specific vehicle category, prioritizing an absolutely unobstructed view of the road. Have you ever heard of the fishbowl effect? Well, this brings us straight to the Subaru Forester. Subaru specifically engineered the A-pillars on older Forester generations to be as thin as humanly possible, and the windows are, well, they're almost comically tall. The result? This amazing fishbowl effect, where you can see absolutely everything around you. If you hate craning your neck around like an owl just to check your blind spots, this is a massive deal. Add in a seating position that hits that absolute sweet spot, high enough to see clearly, but not so high you need a step stool to get in, and door sills low enough to just swing your legs out effortlessly.
Section 3. Old School Comfort Cruisers, the Living Room Ride.
Now, if the idea of a modern, stiff-riding crossover doesn't exactly thrill you, this next category is going to bring back some really great memories. We're talking about those heavyweight sedans that prioritize supreme comfort and incredibly cheap repairs. Let's look at our 2 heavyweight champions here. On the left, we've got the legendary Panther platform. Think Mercury Grand Marquis and Ford Crown Victoria. On the right, the Buick LeSabre, featuring that famous 3800 Series 2 V6 engine. So, what do they have in common? They both offer a ride quality that genuinely feels like you're floating on a living room couch. Potholes, rough pavement, you will barely feel a thing. Plus, they feature actual bench seats. There's zero massive center console to awkwardly step over. You can literally just slide across and get out the other side. And because every mechanic out there knows these cars inside and out, the parts are dirt cheap, and a 200,000 to 300,000 mile lifespan is basically standard. Just look at that number. $4,000 to $7,000. That is the absurdly low entry price for a clean Buick LeSabre today. For local errands, doctor's appointments, running to the store, the value here is practically unbeatable. The suspension is purposely tuned for maximum isolation from road imperfections, making it incredibly soft, super quiet, and just so easy to live with. This is especially true if you're dealing with significant arthritis or hip stiffness.
Section 4. Practicality and safety. Smart engineering.
Let's shift our focus a bit to some smart engineering in smaller SUVs that just make life a whole lot easier. The Honda CR-V and Toyota RAV4 are absolute standouts in this department. For example, the 3rd generation CR-V has this genuinely underrated detail. The gear shifter is mounted high up on the dash, right near the steering wheel. That means you don't have to reach way down between the seats just to shift into drive. Furthermore, its rear doors swing open to a full 90 degrees, which makes loading a walker or helping a passenger into the back seat incredibly easy. Meanwhile, the RAV4 shines with its remarkably low cargo floor. Loading groceries doesn't require hoisting heavy bags up over a huge, high bumper. You literally just slide them right into that massive 70 cubic feet of cargo space. It is truck-like utility, completely without the awkward climb.
But hey, what if you're someone who still really loves the physical act of driving? That is exactly where the Mazda CX-5 comes in. Most modern small SUVs give you this kind of disconnected, soft CVT transmission and a cabin totally packed full of distracting touchscreens. Well, the CX-5 totally rejects that trend. It uses a conventional 6-speed automatic for smooth, very predictable power. And crucially, it uses a tactile rotary commander knob right on the center console. You can scroll and click completely by feel without ever taking your eyes off the road. It's safe, it's intuitive, and it's genuinely inspiring to drive.
Section 5. The Lexus Value Hack. Luxury on a Budget.
Now this might just be my absolute favorite category because of a frankly brilliant loophole in the Toyota-Lexus ecosystem. Look, if you buy a used European luxury car, those repair bills are going to empty your wallet faster than you can blink. But if you buy a Lexus ES350 or an RX 350, you're getting a huge amount of mechanical DNA shared directly with Toyota. So the badge on your steering wheel says Lexus, but because your local independent mechanic can easily grab cheap parts right off the shelf, your repair bill says something much closer to Camry. It is literally the ultimate car buying hack.
And you might be wondering, why do you even want that Lexus badge in the first place? One word, NVH. That stands for noise, vibration, and harshness insulation. The Lexus ES and RX are genuinely some of the quietest used cars you can buy at literally any price point. The cabin materials feel substantial, and the acoustic dampening is totally world-class. For drivers dealing with hearing aids or anyone who simply finds a loud, buzzing cabin totally exhausting on a long road trip, this exceptional NVH is an absolute game-changer.
Let's actually take a closer look at the brilliant engineering of the Lexus RX 350, specifically how you physically get into it. Step 1, there is no stepping up. Step 2, there is no lowering yourself down. Step 3, it is a literal horizontal slide. Lexus purposefully engineered the ride height to put the driver's seat at almost exactly hip level for most adults. You literally just turn and sit. It is completely 100% effortless. Section 6. Peak Reliability Champions, the last car you'll buy.
We have been building up to the undisputed kings of our explainer today. These vehicles represent the absolute pinnacle of dependability. 250,000. That is how many miles a 2002 to 2006 generation Toyota Camry can easily routinely hit. And guys, we are talking about doing nothing more than basic routine oil changes. It's mechanically simple, completely over-engineered, features those great physical climate knobs, and has a super clean instrument cluster. You can easily find clean examples out there for under $6,000. If you want a car that never, ever surprises you with a massive repair bill, well, this is it. But if we have to crown an ultimate winner today, it goes to the vehicle affectionately nicknamed the Japanese Buick. We are, of course, talking about the Toyota Avalon. It takes that totally bulletproof Toyota reliability we all know and love and scales it up into a full-size sedan tuned specifically for maximum comfort, dead quietness, and effortless long-distance smoothness. The 2005 to 2012 Avalon features the absolutely legendary 2GR-FE 3.5-liter V6 engine. This is an engine so wildly well-regarded that owners consistently report hitting a 300,000-mile lifespan without breaking a sweat. And get this, certain trims even offer actual bench-style front seats with reclining rear seats, a combination that is basically impossible to find on the market today. The suspension is soft, the road noise is practically non-existent, and you can pick up a pristine example right now for somewhere between $8,000 and $12,000. It is genuinely the last car you might ever need to buy. So let's bring it all together. The absolutely crucial takeaway here is this: skip the dealership trap. Please do not get lured into buying a modern vehicle completely bloated with distracting touchscreens, rigid sporty suspensions you'll hate, and hidden mechanical complexities that'll cost a fortune later. Instead, prioritize your own comfort. Choose simple, proven reliability. Focus on excellent visibility, effortless hip-level access, and the total peace of mind that comes from owning a mechanically bulletproof engine. I want to turn it over to you to wrap up today's explainer. What car are you driving right now, and how old are you? Do you happen to have one of the hidden gems we talked about today, or are you maybe currently hunting for one? Drop your answers down in the comments. I'd absolutely love to hear about your experiences out there on the road. Thanks so much for joining me today, and keep an eye out for the simple, reliable classics.